As you glide to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right. Carefully step onto the snowmobile and take your seat. Once in place, hold down on the glide.
This seat's really steep.
It is properly closed.
It's like really steep. I was not expecting that.
Expedition leader approaches. Please sit upright.
And level there.
All right, here we go, everyone. Feels nice. It's like we go outside for like 5 seconds, it's all nice, cool. I like the theming in there. Like it does like a little bit of like a gust of wind to give you that little bit of like Arctic feel. I genuinely think they did a good job. They wanted a family coaster that was tame, it was simple, and it's something that you could put a little kid on and expect them to have a good time.
You made easy work of that snowdrift. As you glide to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your frosty brow and gracefully step off your snowmobile to the right.